motorhome there, Bedford, there we are, a massive company at one time. And in rear, successor to the marina, the Morris Hotel. Of course, used to be very popular with commercial travellers. MG TF, the early TF from 1954 here. Lotus Elan there, Morris Mine. And there's cars here, a big long line of cars here. Hopefully the majority will go in the main ring. There we are. And we have another lovely Triumph 2500. This is the bigger estate version. Triumph test there, minis, Gord Anglias on the airfield here, South Sony, a lovely old 3.4 Jaguar. Now this is possibly the automatic. I think it's probably the manual. It might be the automatic. Did always easy to tell with the old style gearboxes, gear levers. Probably the automatic. There we are. There's cars here, hopefully in the main ring shortly, and there is another Triumph 2000. 2CV Morris, Vinny. There we are. Mid-70s Triumph 2000, lovely 2000, and that lovely old Jag next door. Beg your pardon, it's a Daimler. It's a Daimler. It is a Daimler. There we are. All right. Which one's this? The V250?
Yeah, VN250. That's the one. Yeah.
Lovely. Yeah. Now you've got the American cars here, alongside the British. You've got the European. But, love to see the British cars. Massive car there. Certainly massive inside as well, and massive to park. There you are, the lovely E-Type Jag here. There we are. Amount of people around, see how popular they are. Daimler V8 here. There they are. What you want. Genuine British made cars here. How popular they are here. E-Type Jag 1962 fixed head. Most beautiful car ever made. There we are. Oh, there we are. 1962. Now I've got to leave out some of these because of the Hilmer Avenger, because of the amount of sports metros here, the amount of cars here, and the sheer volume, and of course the time, as I'm going to shortly see the tractor parade. Lovely old Austin vans here, workhorses of the day.